and here contraction ይባላል። እዚህ ጋር ለምሳሌ I he she it you we they ምንላቸው subjective pronoun ናቸው and also I is are ምንላቸው ደግሞ ቢቨር ወይም የመሆን ግስ ምንላቸው ነው። እነዚህ ደግሞ contraction ይባላል። okay so please practice with the pronunciation tone of here. I am I contraction form I'm he is his his she is she's his it is it's it's this is a contraction form. It you are you we are we're they are there it's an amazing tip for you as a beginner. እንግዲህ እኔ የምሰጣችሁን በስነ ስርዓት ተከታተሉ። ከቢግነር ወደ ኢንተርሚዲየት እንደምትሉ አትጠራጠሩ። ብቻ እናንተ አንድ እስክሪብቶ ወረቀት ፔፐር ይዛችሁ እየጻፋችሁ መረዳት አለባችሁ።